Hi, have you ever set a goal and you got super excited about it and somehow you failed to achieve it? You're not alone, we all did that. You remember those New Year that we set a goal, we get super excited between a lunch, dinner, holiday season, going back to work, then we all of a sudden forget about it. The key to achieve your goal is to build a new habit. The key to build a new habit is a 30-day magic. Now grab a cup of tea and let's dive in. Why we fail to achieve our goal? Because we forget that every new goal needs a new habit. If you continue with the same habit, you always have the same result. Now, if you want to become an athlete, you don't jump directly on running a marathon. You start to learn a mindset of an athlete, gradually start to exercise, increase it, plan your day until you get closer to your goal. The 30 days magic of changing a habit is scientifically and spiritually have been confirmed. You need most likely 30 days to rewire your mind in a way that you achieve a new goal and most likely you stick to it. Think about these 30 days as a foundation, a solid foundation upon which you're going to build your success. The research shows that you need between 21 to 30 days to achieve a new habit in a way that it becomes a normal part of your daily routine and you will most likely stick to it. Now, the first step is to be clear about what you want to achieve. Write down a specific goal. Clarity is the key to success. The next is to break it down to the more manageable steps. For instance, if you want to run, you start with a smaller step and increase your training until you achieve your goal. Believing to yourself is the key to success. Believe that you can make those changes and believe that you can change your habits. There is a method to do that. Take a notebook. In the first page, write your goal. In the last page, put yourself in a place that you are successful. Taste it. Imagine that you already achieved what you wanted. How you feel. That's very important because that gives you incentive to move and change your habits. Put yourself in a place of a successful person. Read about them. See what's their steps, how they achieved it, and immerse yourself in their work. As Air Nightingale says, whatever you plan on your subconscious mind and nourish it with repetition and emotion, most likely it becomes one day your reality. Write down your 30 days plan. Every day read it and make sure that you are stick with that plan. Writing it keeps you more accountable and most likely on track. Start small and gradually increase your effort. Each victory builds a momentum and boosts your self-confidence. There is a very powerful connection between your brain and your body. With each small achievement and victory, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good hormone that keeps you going and encourages you. Remember, this journey that you're taking is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Be patient with yourself. You may fall down, but you stand up as far as you believe to your power and to your ability to change. I'm very happy to start this challenge of 30-day way of building a new habit with you. Write down in the box below your goal, and then we help each other to build a habit around it and to build a foundation for a bigger change that you require. Happy to see you here. Subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, I wish you joyful days.